today with another video. But before I get started on all the details, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you like what you see on your way out, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Showcasing a unit from the company Rpghair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the specs down below in the description area. You guys know we love us some Rpghair. Of course, this is your satin bag. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is your satin bag that you can store your unit in. Also have an edge band, and of course you get a comb. But we need to get into this wig. 9x6 HD body wave wig. This one is in a natural color. It is 22 inches in length, and it states that it is 200% in density. You can see this unit does come with your pre-bleached knots. Y'all, look at that. Let me get up closer. Look at that. All right, come on, scalp. This one also comes with your pre-cut lace. What your lace area looks like, you get a comb on each side. Keep in mind that the combs are removable just in case you do not want to keep them on. Also a comb in the back that you can remove. No adjustable straps, but you do get this adjustable, removable elastic band. Go ahead and adjusted the removable elastic band, and I'm super excited to try this texture out because I've tried a lot of the curly styles out, so this is going to be a nice little switch up. Okay, y'all know I love me some body wave hair, but let's go ahead and put this on to see what it's giving. All right, so this is what it is looking like on, and it's safe to say, us smaller head girls, we can rock this. I had to untighten the elastic band because it was a little bit too snug, especially on the side. I also went ahead and removed the combs. I'll probably add a bobby pin in the back, but this one just kind of slid out easily, so I'm not really worried about it. But if it's really comfortable on my head, there's no bulging or anything going on. Of course, that extra comb would give some extra security if I wanted to put that in the nape area, but I'm okay without it. And I went ahead and removed the ones on the side because as I was trying to put that band and stuff on, it just kept getting in the way, and I was just like, you're not needed. You're not needed. This is what it looks like so far. I don't think I'm gonna have to go in with any tint spray. I don't think so. Y'all think so? If I do, it might just be a very, very small amount, but I don't think that I would have to go in with anything heavy. And if I do, it's just probably gonna be right here at the edges. But I also feel like if I add just a little bit of adhesive or mousse, it's going to blend in flawlessly. But just to be on the safe side, I might end up going in with some of my tint spray. But the hair itself is really nice. I'm probably gonna end up putting a little bit of wand curls throughout the hair, kind of comb through it. It's not super heavy on my head, but I can definitely feel just a little bit of density. More so something you can wear for every day. It's not going to be too annoying, but we'll see once I curl it and everything. As far as the parting space area goes, like I stated, it looks like scalp. It is what it is. It looks like scalp. You can go back. Wow. Look at that. That looks great. And because this is 9x6, you have options. If you want to part this on the side and still get that frontal look, because they plucked. Miss Ma'am is plucked, okay? She is plucked. So you can part this on the side and you're still going to be good to go. Wow. Okay. Okay, Rpghair. I'm gonna go ahead and prep this, get this baby installed, see what we working with, and of course you guys know I'll be back with the final look and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. styling this wig, I gave you guys 2 style options. I like the side part for a more glam look, but of course you guys know when it comes to everyday, the middle part is definitely my thing. And it turned out really, really cute. The thing I did was add a little bit of my adhesive spray. I told you guys that I was unsure if I should do that because I felt like the lace would have blended in. And I still think it would have, but I feel like the adhesive spray just made it blend in flawlessly, okay? I didn't have to put any powder or anything into the parting space area, nor the very front of the hairline. I mean, look at that. Just blend it in. A little bit of adhesive to the side. And I did that because, of course, the lace does kind of stop right in this area, but it lifts just a little bit. I wish it was just like a little bit more snug right here so I wouldn't have to have worried about it. And I didn't want to have to put a bobby pin right on this area because I feel like the lace was going to kind of roll. So I figured, hey, just put a little adhesive right there. It's still considered glueless. So that's what I did, and it melted down flawlessly. And then the front of the hairline, I just went in with my olive oil mousse, and that way it can still give that melt factor without having to add any more spray. Added my elastic band, and then I went in and wand curled the unit. Before I wand curled it, I did go ahead and extend the parting space so you guys can see more of it, because like I told you guys, they did a good job, okay? A really, really good job with bleaching the knots on this unit. Like, it looks like scalp. So I just wanted to extend that out. I had no issues with laying the top of it down. I did notice a little bit of flyaways going on, so I used some of my wax stick, and then when I turned it to the side this time around, I did go in with that olive oil mousse just to kind of lay it down a little bit more. But I added these wand curls in. I went in with my bigger barrel right here, and I did that because I wanted more of a nice wave, and I know that as it gets older it's going to drop, versus going in with my smaller wand curler, it was going to have a tighter hold to it. And once I flipped the hair to the side, you could see that the curls just kind of went a different way. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a very small amount of shedding. Snags, I mean, it's just really easy for me to run my fingers through, so I'm not really concerned about that. But of course, we're entering into the fall, winter time whenever it decides to come. If you're gonna wear coats and everything, I feel like you're always gonna get some type of snags in the nape area just because of friction. So I think having a wide tooth comb, you'll be good. You're not gonna have to really worry about too much. I did put a little bit of Sleek and Shine serum in here, and that was just kind of control the frizziness and the flyaway. I think the density is great, but I did notice some longer pieces in the front area, and you can even kind of see some right here. And I should have cut them before I started curling the hair, but it was only in the little front area. I was unsure of what that was about. I tried to trim, but I definitely could trim a little bit more. But hopefully when they see this, they're gonna probably go in and just fix it so you don't have to worry about it, or just check. But yeah, it just had those little longer pieces right there. But the length on this is perfect for every day. I feel like it makes a good ponytail, and the density, you're not gonna run into any tracks. This is lightweight, but you're not gonna have to worry about your cap or anything showing. The cons when it comes to this unit, I feel like they did everything right. Now, I need to figure out if this is user error. Loosened up the elastic band in the back. It's kind of bulging right here, and I was trying to fix it, so I just need to go and play around with that. I don't want it to look like I'm bulging right here on the side of my head. You couldn't see it as I was styling the hair, but if I wanted to lay down flat or flat iron it, I feel like it will be noticeable. But I think that's a user error on my end because I was like messing around with it. But other than that, she's cute. Okay, let me know what you guys think about her. Do you like the middle part, or do you like the side part? If you are feeling this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.